I just got back from my friend Tyler's house, and I went straight to the mailbox. Guess what arrived? My twerk bar. Alright, I'm gonna unbox it on y'all. It came, I think, from China. I'm only using one hand because I got this camera. My bad, guys. Shout out to Tyler Edwards. There. I don't believe it's in the packaging. Or is it? There it goes. Inside there. Taking it out. There she goes. She's a beauty. Gosh. Nothing's else in there. Alright. Take it out of this bubble wrap. And guess what? Somebody already popped the bubble wrap. Freakers. Well, it had been on the plane. Shipping all the way to the United States. Everybody gonna be like, where you get that from? Oh my god. She's a beauty. Oh my god. I barely touched it. Watch this. You see that? Like, barely touched it. Yeah, she's gonna give me 5 minutes spin time. It's heavy. It's uneven for some reason. That side's heavier than that side. I don't know why. Weird boxing. I thought it'd be all neat and decent. Thought it'd be something else. Y'all hear that sound? People ask me for in school, be like, let me get that. Oh no. You got me bent. Thank you. Thank you, Wish. I got it for $1 off Wish and $1 for shipping. I was just telling my friend Tyler about this. Afterwards, I'm gonna call him up, show him this. I thought I was gonna never get a fidget spinner. Guess what else I got? And my other baby is like 2 times bigger. Look at that size. God bless me. Alright, see y'all tomorrow. See some of y'all at school. I'm gonna do a spin time test. Alright. I'm starting it at minute 45 seconds. Well, on top of this one. I don't barely touch it either. I barely touched it. Seems like it's never slowing down. Alright, forget it. It's been forever, trust me. And thank you, Lord. I'll see y'all later. Thank you.